Hello everyone, this is a noise wrap, and unlike a user smartwatch, there is no display, no notifications, and nothing asking for your attention. Instead, it is designed to quietly track what's happening with the body throughout the day. So, one of my friends got this, and I decided to take his help for the unboxing, and I will make a detailed video later on. This is just the unboxing and overview. So, inside the box, you get the wrap itself, along with the strap and the charging accessories. And I really like how the band looks different from a conventional fitness band. You have got the dual tone strap, and it is paired with a stainless steel body, and the whole thing is just 27 grams. But the interesting part isn't really the hardware, it is what the wrap does with the data it collects. It continuously tracks your things such as heart rate, HRV, sleep stages, resting heart rate, VO2 max, and even workout zones and skin temperature variation. And instead of throwing 100 different numbers at you, it boils all it down into three main scores, that is sleep, recovery, and effort. Sleep looks at the quality of your sleep, including a different sleep cycles and even naps. And the recovery is basically how ready your body is to perform. And effort tells you how much work your body is actually putting in throughout the day and during workouts. You also get features like automatic workout detection, training load, stamina insights, and also AI powered coaching. And because there is no screen running, you get about 10 days of battery life as claimed by Noise. It also has 5 ATM water resistant, so you don't have to treat it like a delicate piece of electronics. There is also support for Strava, Apple Health, and Google Fit. And there is another interesting thing, that is, there is no subscription required for any of this. You basically buy the device once and get access to the data and the insights without having have to pay every single month. So the idea behind Rep is pretty simple. It's not trying to be another smartwatch. It is just trying to stay out of the way, collect the data in background, and then help understanding your sleep, recovery, and training. And honestly, that makes the app a pretty interesting alternative to someone who wants deeper fitness tracking but doesn't want another screen. This is the Noise Wrap, a fitness tracker designed not to show you more but to help you understand more.